this is Looking Glass at Ladybird Lake. This is the second painting I began in this whole series, and I actually stopped and started on this one several times and worked on other paintings while because I had problems. I felt like this was kind of intense, and you can sort of see it with all the detail and action in there. And I think of it as a good thing. I think that the way that the vines all are in an intense tangle is just what I saw along the lake. It was a scene where you could look through all the vines into the water, and they were just a very complex mix of beautiful individual vines, and that's really what it's about. It's just a big tangled web.